Hey guys, so today we are going to be tackling the situation of new makeup. So I feel like when I look in these drawers, I cannot see, you can't even see what I'm talking about. Up here. When I look into these drawers, these are full of my new makeup, but when I look into them, I'm just overwhelmed because I can't see a single thing in there. So we're going to, what's the word? Like go through, I want to go through, I want to see what I actually have that I need to try out. And we're going to try and sort it out a little bit so that when I know what videos I need to film and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, first things first, I'm just going to start by getting it all out and placing it in front of me. So obviously, you guys probably can't see, but I've already got this stuff here on the floor. That was in a big Peel Louise box, so I'm just going to sit it all here and we're just going to go from there. Okay, that is one drawer done, so one drawer down. You can't even see where it it goes all the way over here. And then we've also got this drawer as well. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Okay, what I'm gonna, first things first, oh my god, I don't know, I'm so overwhelmed. Okay, so I want to put together collections that I want to review like together. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick like 3 collections that I want to film with this week. So, and then I'm going to put them in this Peel Louise box, and hopefully that will help us like, one, get rid of some stuff, and then make it like less overwhelming. So I think a collection that I really want to film with this week is the Glam Light and Ghost Face. Obviously I don't want it to permanently sit in this box, like I don't want to have anything sitting on the floor in future, but just until we get some of this new makeup down, this will be what we do. Okay, these are my 3 collections that I really want to film this week. So we have the Glam Light and Rick and Morty collab, we've also got the Colourpop and Rudolph collab, we have the Glam Light and Ghostface collab. So yeah, I'm hoping that by the end of this week we will film these collections. I feel like that would be very beneficial. Okay, let's just get everything else out. I'm not gonna lie, some of the stuff in here I honestly forgot that I even had, and that's what I really want to stop doing. I need to stop buying in such big excesses that like I don't even know anymore, you know what I mean? Okay, so there are specific things that I want to film videos based on, and then there's other things that are just kind of in here because they're new makeup and new products, and like I want to try them on camera, but there's no like specific video that I really want to do it for, if that makes sense. So I've obviously got a bigger drawer here, which you can't really see, and then I've also got this tub in there, and then I've also got a smaller drawer. So I realistically would love to get some small little tubs. I don't have any at the moment, so that's something that I would eventually like to get. I also have this drawer as well, which has like my product backups in it, so products that I already have, but like there's backups of it. So I want to find somewhere else to sit this as well, because I feel like this is a lot of wasted space in here, but that's something we can look into soon. Okay, first things first, I feel like in this little tub we should put a color, like stuff that we're going to put in, like in this tub. This can be collections that I want to review in the next couple of weeks. So, or things that I want to do videos on, I should say. So first things first, I really want to do a video on this Peel Louise Money Shot palette. I think it's absolutely stunning, and you know that I love a green shadow, like, oh, beautiful. So yeah, I do really want to do a video on this palette. I also want to do a video on the Carnival Be Perfect palette, on the Peel Louise but doesn't come in pink palette, change of plans. What I'm going to do in this smaller tub here, that's where I'm going to put palettes. Just palettes that I want to review. Like palettes that don't come in like a collection. They're just by themselves. We want to try them out. What other palettes do we want to try out? So this 1111 has more bits to it, so this Malibu Barbie does have more bits to it, but I'm pretty sure I've already opened them, so this can be a palette that I review by itself. Oh my god guys, I cannot even tell you how many years ago I bought this. I don't actually even know if they still sell this. Let's have a look. Okay, they actually do still sell it. It's got different packaging now. Interesting. Wait, is this even it? No, is that? No, that's not even it. That's a different palette. Okay, so they still do sell it. It is such a stunning palette, but oh god, I just don't know. Like, this is the hardest thing. Like, things sit in here for so long that now I'm like... Same with this Colourpop palette. Like, this one I've had for a while. Like, none of it's ever been used, but it's just the fact that it's untouched. And it's like, it's been sitting here for so long. Like, I don't want to keep doing that. You know what I mean? Alright, I think I'm going to make it... Oh, I just don't know what do I do, guys. And like, I don't know if I can put it in giveaways or not, because I'm like, obviously it's all brand new, but I don't even remember. And because I don't want to like keep it in my collection if I'm like not going to use it, because then I'll look at it and I'll be like, oh. I don't think I want to do a specific video on this palette anyway. Like, this might be one where I do like a full face of first impressions or something. This Colourpop palette is really pretty. I want to do one on that, but I don't even know if they sell that anymore. Because it's out of stock, so I don't know if they are going to end up like putting it back in or not. What's the word? What do you call it? Like restocking it. It's on sale for $100 on eBay. Jeez. It's crazy, isn't it? Anyway. Okay, I need to stop procrastinating. This P. Louise palette I'm going to do a specific video on. Alright, let's start doing some collections then. So this is the P. Louise AM to PM collection. I really want to do a video on this one. Where's the big palette? There it is. I swear there's more to this collection. Like, where is the big palette? Oh, it's still in. I swear there's still more to that collection. Anyway, whatever. I also want to do the Michaela and P. Louise collection. I want to film a review on this Chucky palette, but see, like, it's so, like, sometimes I don't know what to do because I have the Chucky palette and the Chucky blush, but that's all I've got. So it's like, does that, like, count as, like, a, you know what I mean? I just don't know. Or do I might just do the Chucky, like, blush in a different video. Okay, I've been filming for 16 minutes. I wonder if I should make a part 2. Or if I just smash it out now. We might make a part 2. Okay, this is what I'm going to call this video for now. I'm going to leave it here for now. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to do a second part.